name is Yudelis Vargas. What's your name?
Chrissy.
What grade are you in, Chrissy?
9th grade.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad to have you in my class. What's your name?
It's Roxanne.
Nice to meet you, Ms. Roxanne. It's my pleasure to have you in my class.
Thank you.
So, in the last class that we had last week, we were solving equation. Today we're going to do the same. It's going to be two-step equation. But first, I'm going to talk about the rule of the classroom. In the classroom, we got rule like in all the classes. So if you want to go in the bathroom, you have to ask me. You cannot be talking too loud. You need to talk slowly, please. You need to be concentrated in the class so that way you can learn. Okay? So now, let's talk about our lesson today. So, it is called solving two-step equation with manipulative. So, today, the rule of manipulate is that anything that you do on one side, you have to do it on the other side. So, that way you don't get the answer correctly. Because if you do it the other way, you're not going to have the correct answer. Okay? So, in here, I have some worksheet. Because when I'm doing my the sample on the board, they're gonna be following. Okay, so here I got the paper for y'all. So this is for you, Miss Rosanne. This is for you, Miss Chrissy. In here, you gotta have some example what we're gonna be doing. Okay, have the name of every single number. Okay, in the page. Okay, if you have any question, ask me. Okay.
Okay.
So. The first thing, you have to know that the square means the variable, the circle is a constant, and the triangle is the negative variable. And here we got circle, I make it so you can see, triangle, square. Okay, I have some paper for you guys, because I want you guys to be doing it by yourself. I'm going to make each of them, okay? Because it's the name of the class. So, the first thing we're going to do our first question. Let's see how it's going to go. Any questions so far?
No.
Good. So, let's solve the equation. First thing we're going to manipulate. We're going to get the black. This one. We're going to draw a line, and we're going to be putting our equation in here. So let's put on this is 3 square. Let's put right here, and let's put in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So in here we got our equation. So now we have to figure it out how to do a number. Do you guys know how to do a number? You have any idea?
You have to substitute the.
Raise your hand.
Yes, Rosanne.
We will have to substitute the figures with numbers.
Good job, Rosanne. Okay, so what color should we use?
Yellow,
Why?
because they're triangles.
Good job. So it's going to be 3x. Chrissy, do you know what number should we use in this one right here? What color? You know the number of color that we should use in this one right here? Look at the board. Look at the board. Do you know? What color is this? Do you know? Do you know? Alright, you have to look at the color right here. This one is the same as this one. So it means it is a circle. So it means it is just one right here, right? So it's gonna be plus 1. So now we're gonna count.
3 plus 1 equals 4.
Yes, that's correct. So now we're gonna count
But I got
how
this.
many we have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it means it's gonna be equal 10. So that is this equation that we have in here, right? So now we have to solve the equation. Okay. So we have to leave the variable alone, which means the x. It needs to be alone. So we need to find the value of x. So it's going to be pretty easy. You guys just need to pay attention how to do it. So we're going to use the green one. We're going to subtract. Fine, we're going to put it in here. And then we're going to delete this one because we want to eliminate numbers, okay? And then we're going to put equal 9 minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay? And then we're going to put the 3x down. So since we want to leave the variable alone, we have to eliminate all the numbers, right? So what are we doing here? Do you know number sign?
You would have to divide.
What number should I divide?
On 3.
Good
To eliminate
job.
the 3.
Good job. So we're going to divide. I'm so excited, my student know everything, God. This one, we're going to be equal. So in here, we're going to delete the 1, right? Because already it's delete, right? And we're going to delete 1 in here because it was 9 in here because we took out 1, so it's going to be 9. So it's going to be only 9 numbers. So 3 divided by 9 is going to be so easy. We're going to do 3, 1, 2, and 3. We have 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means 3 divided by 9, it is 3. So this is our answer to our equation, guys. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, so now we're gonna do another one, and I'm gonna have one of you guys standing over here and telling me what do I have to do. That will tell me if you guys understood what I just teach you guys. So what we're gonna do it, and then you guys are gonna be doing it on your paper. You're gonna have some time to answer some of the questions that you're gonna have. So let's do this one. It's gonna be a little bit different. Let's do this. We got the 5 divide. No, it's gonna be a good backward. And the x 5 plus 8 equal 10. How can we put this number on the manipulative? Do you have an idea how we can do a manipulative?
No.
Okay, it's pretty easy. So we're gonna do circle like we did, right? So we got the 5 in the variable, okay? So we're just gonna put, let's use the color we have in here, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then we have plus 8. So we're gonna use this one. Well, let me see what's gonna be right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is how we're doing a manipulation. We're just gonna change it, but using this triangle, circle, and the square, okay guys? So this is a different equation, okay?
Okay.
As you guys see, we have the x divided by 5. So let's try to solve the number. Remember, we always want to leave the x alone, okay? The x. So let's try to see how we're going to do this. Let's put a constant. Just want to eliminate the number under the other one. It's going to be minus. So we're going to delete this one. And we're going to put equal going to be 2. And we're just going to put down the x, divide by 5. So what is the opposite of multiplication? Do you know? What is the opposite of multiplication?
What is the
Opposite?
of multiplication? Division.
Yes. So we're going to divide by 5 times this one. We're only going to be doing this. So, let me put it in here too. This one is going to cancel. It's going to cancel because we want to leave the x alone. So we're going to put down the x equal. So this one is going to be this one. So what's positive? It's going to be positive here. It's going to be positive. So 2 plus 5, how much it is, Christy? You have any idea?
7.
Good job. So it's going to be 7. So our answer to our equation it is 7.
So,
You have understanding what I'm saying, guys?
yes.
Yes.
Good
Yes.
job. So now I'm gonna have you guys doing some of the ones that I have on your paper, and I'm gonna be walking around to see how you gonna do. What about that? Sound good to you guys?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Good. So I'm gonna write the equation right here. And I'm gonna do it on your paper, and then I'm gonna give you like 3 minutes, just 3 minutes. And then we're gonna do it on the board. Okay? So the one that you're gonna do is 2x minus 6 equal 10. That's the equation we're going to do.
Okay.
So you have to solve that one. You're gonna have some minute to do. Some minutes. Good job. Doing a good job, Miss Sam. Okay. So now I'm gonna do it myself, and let's see if it's gonna be the same answer as you guys did. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna put in here this one minus. It's gonna be plus. We cancel this one. We're going to put down the 2x. It's gonna be equal 10 plus 6 is gonna be 16. So we're gonna leave the 2, the x alone. So we're gonna do 2x. We don't really have to put the x. You have to put it 2. Okay. We're gonna cancel the 2. We're gonna put down the x. And then
60.
and then 16 divided by 2.
8.
Good job.
16.
So this is our answer, guys. Well, guys, time. Any question? Any question, guys? Okay, good. Good.
I know.
So now in the next class that we're gonna have, you guys are gonna do an exam. So I hope you're gonna be ready. This is the thing that I have to study in the next class. When we're gonna come back next week, we're gonna have a test because we only have 2 classes doing equation. Okay, guys? So well, thank you very much for coming to class.
No, we didn't even go to research.
It wasn't a pleasure to have you in my class. I'm sorry, Chris, and next time we're gonna have research. I said about that. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye.